In this video, I'm going to show you how you can add the Telegram chat on your Wix website. So for that, we need Wix and we need Elfsight. So Elfsight is a platform where you can find lots of different widgets for your website. So go to Elfsight, click on widgets right there, and then go to chats. Now, once you're on chat, you'll find the Telegram chat right there, and you want to click on it. Next up, click on create widget at the top right corner, and you can then choose your Telegram template. Right there, you can choose from all of these, okay? So for this video, I'm gonna go with the general one. Click on, let's see, where is it? Continue with this template. You can then customize it. So make sure that you enter your Telegram link right there. You can customize the settings and the style as well. I'm not gonna bother you with that in this video. You can sort that out yourself. Next up, click on join to install and sign up for an account. I already have an account, so I'm gonna click on login. Okay, so once you're signed in, all you need to do is click on save at the top right corner, and you can then copy the HTML code. Now before that, you need to choose a plan. So they have a, let's see, 14-day money back guarantee. So you can always try this out yourself. You can also just get started with the $0 a month plan. So I'm gonna select that one. Now next up, all you need to do is copy the code. So click to copy. Next up, go to your Wix website and make sure you go into the Wix website editor and then click on add right there and then click on, let's see, embed right there. You can then click on HTML iframe. This will then bring up this HTML. Click on enter code and then paste it in there, click on apply, and it will then show up. You can see the Telegram chat icon. All you need to do next is place it wherever you want it to be. So let's say that you want this right there. You then drag it over there, and that's pretty much how you can do this. So right now I have the Telegram chat icon. I'll just click publish and you guys can see what that actually looks like. So if I click on view site, don't worry too much about how it looks because this is just a random website. But let's just see, there you go. So people can then click on that and they can then start chatting, okay? Because this is way too small, doesn't fit, it doesn't show up. Make sure there's enough space, but that's how you can add the Telegram chat on your Wix website. If you appreciate this quick tutorial, make sure you go ahead and leave a like. I would appreciate that, and then I'll see you next time.